5वीं साल है वुमेंस कार रैली की, लवासा कार रैली। इसमें 2000 वुमेन ड्राइवर है, वुमेन पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, 500 गाड़ियाँ हैं और हर एक गाड़ी एक स्पेसिफिक कॉज को सपोर्ट करती है। और मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, जिससे आपने देखा कि कोई ब्रेस्ट कैंसर को सपोर्ट कर रहा है या कोई एक और कॉज को सपोर्ट कर रहा है। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे और हर साल इतने एंथुजियास्टिक है ये ड्राइवर्स। सो इट्स ऑलवेज इट्स ग्रेट टू बी हियर, क्योंकि मैं यही सोचता हूँ, और जैसे मैंने स्टेज पे बताया कि आई थिंक वुमेन आर ऑलवेज इन द ड्राइवर्स सीट। सो आई गॉट द वुमेन हियर इन द ड्राइवर्स सीट, so it's great to be here.
John, can you tell me the level of excitement for this movement you saw? Like, what sort of level of excitement can you see for the
Well, it's great to see women at the wheel first of all, and it's great to know that they're supporting a cause. And a rally does not mean just going fast. Yeah, a rally means going within permissible speed limits, being safe, and over and above that, in this rally they're supporting a cause, and I think that's what makes this Lavasa car rally absolutely special.
What Ishan want to tell the woman who's driving the car?
Yeah, that this time they need to love themselves and not Ishan, and that's very important because Ishan is the most narcissistic guy around. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm serious. I don't even know why I'm here. It's embarrassing.
Can I? Please. I've actually forced Prachi to come here because it's a women's drive, and we'd spoken yesterday. Or I think Prachi didn't really understand or comprehend the concept of a women's car rally. So it's great for her to be here. She was more than excited about being here, seeing women support causes out here. So
Yeah, basically going by the film, it's only John who's supposed to be here. He's the one who's always surrounded by women, always getting women attention. And I was like, I think, John, this is your thing, you know, women's drive, and they're all going to be so excited because I think all of a sudden, इनको देखकर उनकी जो शुरुआत होगी, that's going to be a blast. But yeah, of course, I mean, it's great being here. It's for a good cause, and I've been hearing about this year after year, but it's the first time that I've actually come. Hopefully next year I'll participate as well.
मतलब आप ये कहना चाहेंगे कि जॉन की वजह से आप यहाँ खड़ी हैं?
बिल्कुल, मैं सिर्फ जॉन की वजह से यहाँ खड़ी हूँ।
और नेक्स्ट ईयर प्राची पार्टिसिपेट भी करेगी।
Only if John comes to encourage me. That's
You'll be riding a bike or you'll be there on the car?
She'll be in the car. I'll be a navigator.
Yeah, that should be cool.
Okay, the moment you came in, how excited the people, the women over here who was participating in this event, you know?
Very excited because they've been preparing for it. Of course, ये कोई competition नहीं है, but that doesn't mean that it's anything lesser than that. I mean, their spirit is great. I've actually had friends जो कुछ पिछले साल जिन्होंने participate किया था, और वो almost एक महीने तक, you know, they were talking about this, preparing for it, and it's something that's very exciting for all of them.
Prachi, how do you see the whole initiative, you know, which is behind this call to support the cause, you know?
You know, it's kind of lovely to have so many people come together. हम बहुत सारी causes के बारे में हमेशा बात करते हैं, but when you have these many people join hands and come together, I think it makes so much of a difference. क्योंकि it makes a difference when these many people actually come together.
प्राची, इससे पहले कितनी बार आप इतनी जल्दी सुबह उठी हैं?
Actually कभी नहीं, शायद मैं पिछली रात सोई नहीं, so that I could make it early in the morning.
क्या आपने उन्हें सोने नहीं दिया?
As a co-actor, she is always on time, बहुत ही disciplined है, पता नहीं क्यों कह रही नहीं।
सर, कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस के लिए जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं?
यही कहना चाहता हूँ, I'd like to actually speak about one cause, that's breast cancer. और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हम लोग बहुत ही अर्ली डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द इनिशिएटिव, द मेन स्पॉन्सर्स ऑफ दिस. सो जस्ट गो आउट देयर एंड मेक श्योर यू check yourselves for something that could be fatal in the future.
Prachi, you?
Sorry?
Any special message for your fans tonight?
Absolutely. I'd actually like to congratulate all the people who've participated first of all. मैं उनसे कहना चाहूँगी कि it's a great initiative. It feels wonderful for me to be here. और जो लोग part ले रहे हैं उनका contribution इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है. So I want to kind of thank them for, you know, doing this.
Being a girl, any safety precaution you want to give them for riding?
You know, I think driving is excitement में और spirit में. I just hope that you know they be safe. That's the most important thing because like I said, ये कोई competition नहीं है where you know you I mean break boundaries and all. You just have to be safe and enjoy it and do this for a cause.
Done. Thank you. Thank you. Bas.